Okay guys, so my package just came. I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting, like I've been looking out the door all day. And I thought it would come in the mail, but it came in a truck. So let's open it, shall we? Okay, let's see here. Ooh. Okay, we'll take the cube out first. Came in a nice little case. So let's open this one up first. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Can you even see it? There it is. So it has a zipper. Oh my. It's the same color. Alright, so this is a different brand than this one. The joystick is more like harder, I guess. All of the buttons are silent. As this one, it's harder. These just like this. These just kind of roll, and then the ball rolls nicely, but you can press it. And then right here, put your finger, scratch it, whatever you want to do. So this one, I think, the one I just got is better. It's heavier. This one's plastic. This one's like rubber. Yeah, so that's that. Now, oh, it's not the same color. It's gray. Spinner time. Ooh. So it is black. And yeah, Fidget Spinner. Made in China, black. Okay, unbox this. Let's open it up. Very simple, just plastic inside of this. Okay. Ooh, here it is. Wow, nice and black. So this is, I think, a lot of people don't think it, but I think that it's, for the weight of it, it's pretty heavy for this small little thing. I mean, like, it's heavy because of the rings and stuff, and it's metal. Yeah. So let's spin it. Oh yeah. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so. Whoa, and it feels weird when you like, cool. I heard that you could, okay. It's pretty silent, but it just makes a little rattling noise, which is common. Oh, this is how long it went for. For 2 minutes and 19 seconds. This thing is pretty fast. It stays for a long time. Nope. Alright guys, this video is gonna be really long, so I'm gonna end it here, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.